Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today is March 19th, 2025. And in today's video, we're diving into one of the biggest reasons traders fail. They trade without a price target. If you're just jumping into trades without knowing where price is likely to go, you're not really trading. You're hoping, and hope is not a strategy. That's gambling and guessing. So in today's video, we're going to break down while having a solid, reliable price target is crucial and how we use institutional levels and volume to know exactly where price is going before we even click the buy button. Let's face it, guys. Too many traders, especially those coming from the warrior trader style, are just chasing candles. They see green and think, oh wow, price is going up, let's jump in. And they do it without any thought of where resistance might be, without any idea of where smart traders will be taking profits and selling, and with zero clue where trend is going to reverse. And this is exactly why so many traders blow up their accounts. When you enter a trade, you need to know three things in advance: your entry, your stop loss, and your target. Trading without a target is like taking a road trip with no destination. You're just driving aimlessly with absolutely no plan. And eventually, you're going to run out of gas. In our group of pro traders, our Discord alerts give us all of the institutional levels so that there's no guesswork at all. These are price points where the big money is poised to take positions and poised to take profits. So instead of guessing where price might go, we already know with absolute confidence in advance exactly where price is going to go and where trend will end. Let's break down a real trade that we took in our group today on ADTX. In fact, this is a stock we traded yesterday, and we made excellent profits with it using this exact strategy I'm going to be showing you today. So today was a continuation setup on ADTX, and at 6:40 a.m. Mountain Time, our Discord alert identified a strong support level at $8.10, and the next level in line above that was $9.50. Price had strong momentum, but instead of blindly chasing it like some traders do, we waited for the right entry, with volume confirming the move. We had two setups on this one today, one during pre-market and the one after opening bell. I took my entry after opening bell right here at $8.70 at 8:40 in the morning, Mountain Time. My initial stop loss was $8.64, which was the 50 EMA at that point. And that was the nearest strong EMA, closest to my entry, which gave me a measly 6-cent risk. And that's what I shoot for. The initial target was $9.50. And that meets our reward criteria of 3 times our risk. My plan was to follow volume through the $9.50 target and stay with the trade as long as buyer volume remained stronger than seller volume. From there, my plan was to trail up my stop loss to the next Discord level as price pushed through each target. And as you can see, as price reached the $10.30 Discord level, and the Discord levels are these horizontal lines, we had a slight pullback. Now, how do I know that this is a pullback? Well, these are hike and ashy candles, so the wick on top represents the buyers. This top wick was pretty short compared to the previous candle. So that tells me there's profit taking going on right here at the target. In other words, this is a slight pullback. And like I said, we always expect some kind of pullback at a target. So we watch the pullback volume, making sure that it stays less than the previous buyer volume. And it did. So that means stay in the trade and step up the stop loss to the next level, taking it from $8.64 to $9.50. This is the stair-step method that I teach my traders in the group. So then when price reaches the $11.40 target, I stepped up my stop loss to the $10.30 level. Then that all-important prediction candle hit. This candle right here at 9:09 a.m. Mountain Time. It made a new high for the day, but it did it on lower buyer volume. And that's important, guys, because that tells us a reversal is coming. So it's kind of like having a little crystal ball. You know this in advance, that a reversal is on its way. And that means we need to plan for our exit soon. Now, the timing of the reversal is never known, but we know it's coming. Since this here was a retest of that $11.40 target, and I was already well into the profit at this point, and I had a solid stop loss below me, which would also keep me in the profit no matter what, I decided to let price pull back. And if it needed to, I'd give it room all the way down to this $10.30 stop loss level. And as long as it held that, and as long as the pullback volume stayed lower than the previous buyer volume, I'd stay in the trade for one more retest of $11.40. And I'd sell into strength. And as you can see, the high price of $12.30 that it made at 9:21 this morning was on even less buyer volume than that 9:01 a.m. high over here. So that is an absolute confirmation that a reversal is coming. And this is where the smart money traders take profits at the high before the reversal hits. And this strategy is the only reason that I was able to sell into strength and get a really good fill of $11.69. Selling right at the top of the trend, maximizing my profits, and making $2.99 per share profit. Now, compare that to the traders who just jumped in because of a green candle. They had no plan, and most of them probably sold for a loss when price pulled back. One of the biggest advantages my Pro Traders program offers is our AI-assisted Discord alerts. Our system identifies these institutional levels with laser-sharp accuracy, so you don't even have to guess. Knowing in advance where price is likely to go gives you the confidence to trade strategically instead of emotionally. All right, let's talk about what you can learn from today's trade. Never trade blindly. Have a clear price target before entering. Trade based on key levels. Use institutional levels to predict price movement. Volume confirms trend. Analyze volume to determine whether price will continue or reverse. Set a trade plan. Know your entry, your stop loss, and your target before executing any trade. Sell into strength. Recognize reversal signs and exit at optimal profit points. Use our Discord AI tools to identify institutional levels in real time. By following these principles, you'll trade with confidence and consistency instead of guessing and hoping. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this coaching lesson gave you valuable insights to trading, whether you're trading with a small account or a big account. Either way, it's all the same. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any updates and videos that I upload. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level by seeing in advance exactly where trend is going, join us at MomentumStockTraders.com and learn how to trade the most profitable moves every day without ever chasing price, always entering and exiting trades with maximum profits. By joining us, you'll get full access to the private Discord channel, where we get all of the AI-assisted momentum alerts, along with all of the institutional levels, long before the move even happens. Plus, you'll have access to all of the charting tools, the algos, the strategies, and the critical daily trade guidance, which is exactly what you need to succeed. But best of all, you'll get one-on-one mentoring from me personally to help you master your trades and achieve your profit goals every day, just like what you saw here with ADTX today. So join us today and we'll make 2025 your best trading year ever. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.